Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're going to do a review on the Hidden Woodsman Survival Kit, so stick around. The Survival Kit by the Hidden Woodsman, or Possible Pouch 2.0, is constructed using 500 denier nylon, features the Hidden Woodsman logo on front, zippered pouches, measures 8 by 6 by 2, contains a carrying handle, and on the back side you have a large Velcro panel. On the inside you have a zippered pouch, plastic D-ring, you have a pocket right here, and this next feature I like the best. You have 3 elastic gear keepers. But wait, there's more. Behind each one of these is another piece of elastic, giving you 2 for the price of 1. Welcome back. This is outstanding, and it's small enough to be placed inside of a pack or even inside your vehicle's glove box. Now consider for a moment the versatility of this pouch. I showed you a backup or secondary survival kit, but this pouch can be a whole lot more. Consider a medical kit, fishing kit, vehicle repair kit with road flares, tire repair, and so on and so forth. It's lightweight, compact, made in the USA, and well worth the $40. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'll catch you next time.